Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devika. So today I have created this Sunkissed makeup looks. If you want to know how to create this look, then keep on watching. Another thing, before starting this video, make sure subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you're new, you can subscribe to my channel. It's free, and click that bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah, without wasting any time, let's get into it. So first I'm going to use this Garnier moisturizer to moisturize my face nicely. It does have a sunscreen in it, so it's really good for the skin during the daytime. After that I'm going to use this Me Now primer, and I'm going to take little bit on my finger and apply it nicely. It just fill in your pores nicely and give a smooth effect. After that I'm going to use this Swiss Beauty. It's a liquid highlighter illuminator in the shade light pink. So just to get that shiny effect on my face, I'm going to apply this. So I'm just dabbing it with my finger first, and I'm going to use a sponge. So be quick in blending this because it dries up quickly. After that, for foundation, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's a matte poreless and my shade is Natural Buff 230. I'm applying it in a dot form all over my face first, and then I'm going to use the brush to blend everything nicely. If you want, you can even use the Damn Beauty blender, but I'm well comfortable with this brush. So I'm just blending it. So blend everything nicely to get that natural effect on your face. After that, for concealer, I'm going to use this Miss Claire Full Coverage Makeup Concealer, and my shade is Beige 04. So I'm just firstly dabbing it, applying it on underneath my eyes. So applying it in a triangle form, it's the correct way. So I'm applying it on the eyelid as well. Now bridge of my nose. Little bit I'm going to highlight my face as well, because today I'm going to do the contour. So just applying it nicely in the triangle form with the help of my finger. After that I'm going to blend everything nicely with this sponge in the dabbing motion. So blend everything nicely. Now I'm going to use this as a far V-shaped concealer palette. I'm going to pick the shade brown to contour my face. Firstly, I'm going to contour my nose to make it look slimmer. It's a cream contour, and if you want to buy this palette, you can buy this from Cuff and Lashes. I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks, chin. So contouring my face, it's like an important part for this makeup, as it is a summer sun-kissed makeup look. To get effect that sun look on my face, I'm going to do this. So I'm going to use this sponge to blend everything nicely in the upward direction. So it's a cream contour, so everything blend very nicely. After that, to set my concealer and foundation, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Luxury Banana Powder, and yes, I'm going to bake my face, my under eyes, wherever I've applied that concealer to highlight my face. After that, whatever leftover was there, I just used to apply it all over my neck. And now I'm going to dust off the excess. So today going to fill in my brows by using this eyeshadow palette. It's a Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. I'm going to fill in my brows using this eyeshadow. And yes, if you want to buy this eyeshadow palette, you can buy this from Flipkart. Next, I'm going to pick up this shade, has a transition shade, and I'm going to blend it into my crease in and out nicely. So blend everything nicely. As I say every time, blending is very important. Next I'm picking up this brown shade, and yes, I'm going to do the same thing, just blend it into my crease in and out nicely, and whatever is left I'm going to apply it all over my eyes and blend everything nicely. Take your time. Next I'm using this L'Oreal bronzer and going to apply this all over my eyes. Next I'm picking up this shade and going to apply this all over my eyes again. Next I'm taking this brown shade, it's a dark brown shade. I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. Next I'm using this Stay Quickie Kajal and I'm going to apply it in the roughly form because yes, at the end I'm going to smudge it. You can use any kajal, whatever you have. And just apply it on your upper waterline as well. After that I'm using this brush to smudge everything nicely. So it's a very easy eye makeup. Next I'm using this Maybelline Colossal Mascara. It's a very good mascara. If you're looking for a very good, this is the good one, you can go for it. And yes, you can buy this from Flipkart. So before applying mascara, you can always curl your eyelashes. It just gives a very good effect. After that I'm going to use this L'Oreal bronzer and applying it on the hollows of my cheeks. So today I'm not going to use blush. So yeah, just applying it nicely and applying it on the nose as well to just contour it and make it look slimmer. After that, for highlighter I'm using this Makeup Revolution Dragon Heart highlighter, and with the help of this Q-tip I'm applying it in the inner corner of my eyes. Little bit I'm going to drag outside as well. Then I'm applying it on the bridge of my nose, high points of my cheeks, wherever I would like to highlight my face, on my brow bone as well, cupid bow, chin. After that, for lips I'm going to use this Maybelline lipstick. So this is the shade. It has a creamy texture and it stays for the long time, so it's a very good lipstick. After that I'm going to use this Max Factor lipstick in the shade Burnt Caramel and applying it over it. After that I'm using this NYX matte setting spray to make my makeup long lasting. So blend everything nicely. So that's it. This is the final look. hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and comment me in the comment section कि आपको वीडियो कैसा लगा. See you in my next video again. Till then, take care and bye bye.